18. Well, here we go. This is our annual migration north, the northern hemisphere. We've just flown out of Tauranga this evening to drop off our family. We've just arrived in Auckland, at Auckland International Airport. Currently sitting in duty free while the girls go for a wander around and see what they can buy. And then we're jumping on a big plane and heading to Singapore, where we'll spend, I think we'll spend about 16 hours, and then straight on to Barcelona. So it's going to be hopefully a good night's sleep on the New Zealand Sky Couch. And if you've never tried out the Sky Couch, it's well worth it. We do it every time. And we'll fill you in on the way. Anyway, see you soon. See, told you, they've been shopping. 18, so we're in Singapore and we're staying at a hotel here. You know, we just got off the plane. It was a 10-hour flight. It wasn't too bad. In New Zealand with Wi-Fi. And this is our room. Look at this.
Hi. Bonjour.
Wow. This is quite
compact.
Is this it?
Well, there's a bathroom. I mean, you can see it through the window. That is the window.
Oh.
It's a big size shower.
So this is our whole room. Like, it's like a shoebox.
Look at this, we just got fresh sugarcane juice straight out of a vending machine in the airport.
This is cozy. This is cozy, isn't it? Anyway, we're only here for a couple of hours and then we're flying out again. So,
wow.
It's impressive. It's the smallest room I've been ever in. Oh, it's got an electric bed.
Look at the bed.
Oh, let the bed go down.
Wow, look at that.
It's got a mirror to make the room feel twice the size it is.
Look at that.
It's got a
what did you
TV.
print?
Anyway, that's it. That's us
For the day.
for the day. We're gonna have a sleep. We're a bit tired. Yeah, it'd be nice to fly in premier class or business class, but we don't. We fly in kettle class and it's squishy. So,
And the
shower.
sky couch is getting smaller and smaller the bigger my friend grows.
Yeah, as Nicola just said, the sky couch is getting smaller and smaller because when we first started travelling, she was quite small, and now she's getting quite a lot bigger. She was 2, so she's aged 3 years. Don't play with the buttons.
Baby Shark's here though.
Baby Shark's here, and we're gonna have a bit of a rest. Then we'll get up and have some great foods, and see you soon.
So, good morning, bonjour. This is day 1 on site. It's a Monday. We left New Zealand on Wednesday night. Flew Tauranga to Auckland, Auckland to Singapore. We had a day in Singapore. We just stayed at the airport in a little hotel room, and then we flew through to Barcelona, had a day there, did some sightseeing. Love Barcelona, and then caught the train up to Narbonne, caught a taxi to Sedan. We came through yesterday here to pick up the car and have a look, obviously, and yeah, so today, Monday morning, so that's not bad, you know, finished up work Wednesday last week in New Zealand, and we're on site Monday morning. It's really early, it's like 7:30 or something. Yeah, and so we're cracking into it upstairs, so I'll take you upstairs. Rob's already been, oh look at that, he's charging his drone straight from the meter box. Or the, what do they call it here, a linky. So we've started clearing out stuff, lots of stuff. So we're going to work mainly in the blue room, sorted out some beds. What are you doing, honey?
I'm cleaning up.
Cleaning up?
So we can put a bathroom in the ensuite.
Yeah, so plumbing supplies. So we've just been cleaning out this room. This will be the ensuite. Plumber has run some sewage and some water pipes in there. Yeah, not sure. We're thinking shower. And this corner toilet, probably there. Some kind of, it'll be a good size bathroom. We might do something temporary before we get it right. Yeah, so Rob's going to be on the plumbing tools. Hey.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. We've got some piping, some conduit. Sorry, other way around. Some piping and some conduit. Hot water.
Plumbing money.
And cold water. In the corner here we've got a toilet.
Oh yeah.
We brought that one here.
We were optimistic last time that we would get this in, but here we are. Coming, love.
And a cistern, so that's all good. We'll plug that in the bathroom. Exciting times. Exciting times.
Exciting times.
Exciting times.
You're right.
Exciting.
Got any plumbing jokes?
Yeah. No, they've just all gone down the drain.
Oh my gosh. All right, well you can work on that.
Oh.
Yeah. Well done, well done. Once the tap's on, I'm sure they'll be flowing through. Right, we'll check back in later. Here you go, you're on. Putting together a toilet. Good times.
Toilet.
Smash.
Where's this toilet going to go?
Well, I think a shower in that corner and a toilet. I think that will be wide enough, don't you?
Hey team, so I put the toilet together and we're just in the room here looking at positioning. So we're thinking the toilet might go somewhere like that, and across here I reckon just initially we'll put in a box shower. So what is that, 800? So that's about 800, so we're going to put a box shower in there. That'll fit quite nicely there, I think. And eventually we'll tile a nice shower through there. And then we'll put a vanity on this wall here, I suspect. Covered in this corner would go quite nicely. And I'll just tuck the hot water cylinder behind here and we'll put that up on the wall there. So that's where the hot water cylinder is. So I think it's nice, it'll be a nice little bathroom. We might actually put a hole through here and maybe put a window up there, because I think that'd be a nice view out to the outside. Anyway.
Stan, here's my shower my bathroom inspiration. So like, same. Aye.
Yeah, that'll work. We'll just get a box shower for now, just to make it working for now. Anyway, thanks for watching. We're going to keep on doing this throughout the day and hopefully get this all sorted this week. Maybe in a couple of days, so I can start installing the windows. Cheers.